To play Clash Royale on Linux, the first thing that you're going to do is go to ktchpit.com, wherein you will see there all the codes that you can use for you to be able to play Clash Royale on Linux. And then afterwards, you can just go ahead and click on Linux itself if you want to. Or you can just go ahead and go back to the main dashboard or go back to the main website, wherein you will see there how to play the Linux of Clash Royale. Once you're already on the website, once again, you should find the how to install and play Clash Royale on Linux tutorial and click on the Add Here Jenny motion. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on the page wherein you will see there the download options of the Jenny motion. And then afterwards, click on the Discover options. After clicking on the Discover options, wait for the security check and then you'll be able to see there the download options. Now click on the download options. After clicking on the download options, you will be able to see and scroll down until you see there the Linux 64-bit. Now click on the download options. After clicking on that, you will be able to play Clash Royale.